I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside GarageBand. Save a duplicate so you can export without altering the original. Next, make sure tempo, sample rate, and bit depth match what FL Studio expects, usually 44, 1K HZ, and 24-bit or 16-bit. Then clean up, name, and solo or mute tracks you will export. Once done, set locators to cover the full song length so exported stems are exactly aligned. This prepares clean, correctly formatted stems that import into FL perfectly. Now export stems. Solo each track or group and use Share right arrow export song to disk, choosing WAV or AIF to preserve quality. Make sure you export either the entire project or the cycle area so stems line up by measure. Use the same sample rate and bit depth you set earlier. Print any effects or automation you want baked into the stems. Buses, reverb, and process sounds must be rendered now because you'll be importing audio, not plug-in data. Repeat until every element has a stem. Open FL Studio, set the project tempo and sample rate to match GarageBand, then drag your exported WAV or AIF stems into the playlist starting at bar 1. Make sure each stem lines up precisely. Zoom and verify transients and phase alignment. From here, rebalance levels, reinsert effects or instrument plugins you prefer, and route stems to mixer channels for processing. When finished, render your final mix. Quick troubleshooting tip. If timing drifts, reconfirm sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.